To think that I initially wanted to get the Le Creuset, whatever they call it. You know that one I'm talking about. I initially wanted to get it, but the money was just too much, and I had to settle down for this one because your sister does not have that kind of money. Like, ooh, look at, oh my god, look at that. This is the sis coat. Look at that. Oh lord, what is the first thing I'm going to cook on this, like with this pot? Um, Maybe fried rice. Ah, okra soup. Oh lord. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Ada here as always. Yeah, I know I posted these beauties on Instagram and you guys requested that I do an unboxing video. Oh yeah, I wanted to do an unboxing video of these my babies, my new babies. And first of all, welcome back to my channel guys. My name is Ada, and if you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Smash that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Okay, so today we are going to be doing an unboxing video. So I am going to be unboxing these beauties that I got. If you don't know, I have a food channel, and yeah, I needed some good new pots, you know, something that looks presentable. Okay, so I decided to, I have been in the market for a new pot ever since then, and I decided to finally get these. So let's just jump into it. I don't want to waste time because I have been waiting. So yeah, this is the cover of the pot. I just love how neatly wrapped this is. I love how neatly wrapped it is and how it's so protected. Okay, so this is the cover, and then in here you have the pot. Yo, it's heavy. It's pretty heavy. And in here you have the pot. This is the 8-quart pot, and this is the red color. Yeah, you can see it. This is the red color, and it's beautiful. Yeah, look at that color. It's so beautiful. So let's see what we have in. Let's see the cover. Okay, maybe a scissors. Oh Lord, I don't even know what I'm supposed to do right now. Okay, let's do this. Ooh. Okay, comes with this. Yeah, and then boom, this is the cover. Oh Lord, this is, oh my god, you guys, this is so beautiful. Like this is so beautiful. Look at that red color. Like the red color is just popping. It will make your kitchen so colorful. Like, oh my god, look at that. It's so beautiful, and it's so heavy. I'm going to use this thing and decorate this with. I'm just going to leave it on top of here. I'll wake up tomorrow morning and I will see it right here, sitting here. Oh Lord. This is the 6-quart, and I got the color. I got this in orange color. Like, if I had my way, I would have them in all colors, and especially white. I love white. Let's see. Woo. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. You guys. And to think that I initially wanted to get the Le Creuset, whatever they call it. You know that one I'm talking about. I initially wanted to get it, but the money was just too much, and I had to settle down for this one because your sister does not have that kind of money. Like, ooh, look at, oh my god, look at that. This is the 6 quote. Look at that. Oh lord, what is the first thing I'm going to cook on this, like with this pot? Um, Maybe fried rice. Ah, okra soup. Oh lord, this is so beautiful. Like wow, just wow. Whew. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I prefer this color to the red one. I'm sorry, but I love this color. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Like what? Oh my goodness. Whew, Lord, this is so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, down to this one. Look at that. Just like the red one is also it's also 8 quotes, just like the other red one. Oh, man, this is so beautiful. Like what? This is too beautiful. Oh my god. And this is the pot. This pot is quite heavy. Like it's so heavy, but it's beautiful. Look at that. So guys, that is it. It's just a short video. It's nothing so long or anything, but then you will definitely be seeing more of this pot and how I use it, and you guys will get to see how it works and if it's really good, if it's really worth the money and everything on my cooking channel. Because as I told you guys on my life updates video, I told you guys I'll be leaving everything cooking on this channel, and I opened a separate channel for all my cooking. So if you want to see all the good stuff, all the good cooking, learning how to cook and all that, new recipes that you can try and everything, go ahead. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. So do go ahead and check my new channel out, my cooking channel. I promise you, you are going to love it. Okay, you're definitely going to love it. So just go there and subscribe and also help that channel as well. So you're welcome to all my channels. Okay, I will leave the link to all my channels in the description box down below. So anyone you want, anyone you feel like you'll be interested in, you're welcome to subscribe. And I really do appreciate you all for all your support. Like, you guys have been supporting me like crazy, and I am so excited, and I'm so happy that you guys are supporting me. So thank you so much for always supporting me. So thank you for always supporting me, guys. I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video, and tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe and click the notification bell. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this pot and if it's worth it or not. But for me, it's worth it. Like, it's worth it. Okay, so leave a comment in the comment section. Spam that comment section. Like this video and share this video to your friends and family, and don't forget to stay safe out there. Love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.